Wearing the right helmet can significantly reduce wind noise, enhancing your riding experience and allowing you to ride in silence, without the roar of your bike and traffic in your ears and a minimal amount of wind. Let's check out some of the best motorcycle helmets for wind noise. Number 1. Most popular. HJC Unisex 980-614 Modular Helmet. The HJC C91 helmet is crafted from advanced polycarbonate composite. The aerodynamic shell has a large port, is lightweight, comfortable, and weighs in at 5.35 pounds. The adjustable polycarbonate chin bar has a single button release, making it easy for one-handed operation, even when wearing gloves. The face shield is also a quick release for ease of cleaning and replacement. The visor also is pin lock ready to reduce fogging, but it doesn't come with the pins. The fit of the helmet and its thicker composition contribute to its quiet comfort. The liner wicks moisture away and is removable for washing. Number 2. Shark Helmet's EVO-ONE Modular Helmet. The Shark Helmet's EVO-ONE 2 is a modular thermoplastic helmet with a compact profile and weighs 3.6 pounds. Ideal for touring or cruising, it is DOT and ECE certified for both full-face and open-face use, making it a versatile 2-in-1 helmet. The EVO-ONE 2 received 5 stars in the Sharp Crash test, and the chin bar stayed locked in position in all tests, offering greater rider protection. The helmet has an integrated inner sun visor, plus a double D ring chin locking system for enhanced safety. The chin bar can be moved from the down position to the up position. Number 3. Bell Bullitt Helmet. The Bell Bullitt is a full-face 3.5-pound DOT-approved vintage-look helmet. It is available in 3K carbon fiber or low-profile fiberglass composite shell construction with a large, wide viewing port. The helmet is secured with a double D closure with a padded strap for increased comfort. It usually comes with a flat face shield, but can be customized with a bubble one. Some suppliers include one of each. The visor blocks some wind noise but doesn't have a rubber seal, so there is a good flow of air over the face. The liner is genuine leather with thick foam padding. Number 4. Arai Solid Signet-X Motorcycle Helmet. The Arai Signet-Q is an oval-based aerodynamic shell with an elongated front and meets or exceeds DOT and Snell standards. It has a large port for improved peripheral viewing, and the visor is pin lock ready for a fog-free view. The handcrafted helmets have an integrated chin spoiler that channel wind and improve stability. The helmet has a thick comfortable liner shaped for the more oval head to improve fit, safety and comfort. The liner has 5 mm thick cheek and side temple pads that peel away for a more customized multi-interior fit, and the facial contour support, FCS, cheek pads provide a better fit which decreases wind noise. Number 5. Shoei Neotec 2 Helmet. This is a DOT-approved modular flip-up helmet with a multiply fiberglass matrix shell. The aerodynamic and lightweight 5-pound helmet has advanced noise reduction and a wide viewing port. There are 4 different shells and 5 liner sizes for optimized fit, which improves comfort and noise control. Plus, it has a 360 degrees pivot lock system with a stainless steel locking mechanism and a large release button on the chin bar to allow the rider to lift the chin bar and cover the flip-up, even while wearing gloves. It has multi-piece dual EPS layers for enhanced ventilation and impact absorption. Number 6. ONE Storm Motorcycle Modular Helmet. The ONE Storm helmet is a 4-pound modular flip-up helmet with a thermoplastic alloy aerodynamic shell and is DOT approved. There is a lift-up switch under the chin bar to operate the modular flip-up, which is large enough to work wearing gloves. There is also a side lever switch for raising and lowering the inner visor. The aerodynamic and lightweight helmet is communication system ready, with 3 speaker locations. The Storm has active top-mounted vents and 2 always-open rear exhaust ports for controlling airflow and cooling. There are 2 chin bar vents to draw fresh air into the face shield area for cooling and defogging.
Thanks for watching the video.